I'm just waking up. Co-driver just picked up a load. Now we got another load added. The owner of the company says he's gonna add a little bit extra money for that. So now we got to go pick that up. Give me like 20 minutes to get ready. And we up out of here, you heard? Alright, so in order for me to even get to this place in Utah, I gotta go through some back roads. Nice little mountain back roads here in North Utah to pick up this second load. So right now we have one pallet and they have my team driver loaded up. So hopefully they don't have me loading up whatever they got over here. If they do, they'll have to pay. Never been to this place before. Hopefully everything goes by smooth. Now, where do you want the back of the trailer at when I turn around?
I usually turn you around loading on the way out, but this time I got the box down front. Hold the hand up by about that 4 feet.
Okay. So we're loading 4 boxes, right? So once I'm done loading everything, I gotta creep forward and then slam on my brakes. Go forward and slam on my brakes so we can push the load. The load is probably right here. You wanna push it, maybe it's like right there. But it's my first time ever doing that, so let's see how that goes. Right, finally up out of here. Let's hit this road.
Turn left onto North Highway 91.
That's something. Man, when I first started driving trucks, I used to hate doing those type of turns. Because it's like traffic coming on both sides. It's a busy time right now. It's Friday. Everybody's trying to do what they do. Let's get on and let's go ahead and get in Wyoming, man. Just made the Walmart, as you can see. Gotta get some food for me and my teammate. Steak, eggs. Forgot what else is on his list. Pretty much the same thing. I should have just parked right here where this guy's at. That'd have been a better idea. Sometimes it can be stressful parking at a Walmart because somebody might tow your truck or break in your truck, put a boot on your truck. It can be stressful being a truck driver sometimes. Normally do this about twice a week. Alright, so when I first started driving trucks, I used to be kind of fat because of driving trucks. Everything is looking so far. Only thing I'm missing is maybe a little bit of seasonings, and yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, now that I got everything, back to the truck. Hopefully they didn't tow my co-driver away with the truck, because it said no parking on that street. How beautiful the view is. Truck's still there, co-driver's still there. So tonight, or maybe on my lunch break, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how we cook in this truck. It can be a little cramped because I'm team driving, but got used to it. After leaving out of Walmart, gotta check everything. Make sure ain't nobody messing with my truck and trailer, man. Gots to do that. All right, we look good down there. Everything's still locked. Trailer's still locked. Everything looks good. That's what I'm talking about. Literally, going to Walmart is that easy. Don't let your anxiety stop you from going. Don't be overthinking stuff. Just get what you need. Oh, this stuff right here is really good on the steaks. Get what you need, get up out of there, and just make sure you don't see signs with like boots on the tires and stuff like that, because they will bother you. I feel like they don't like truck drivers for some reason. Just now leaving out of Logan, Utah. That's like north of Salt Lake. I'm heading towards Cheyenne, Wyoming, and get through here and go straight towards Virginia. Last time I was in Wyoming was last year towards the end of the year, and me and my co-driver was working for a different company. We was stuck in a snowstorm. I won't even say a snowstorm. It was just the wind was bringing snow onto the highway, and it was closing it down and opening it back up and closing it down and opening it back up. And the company that we was working for at the time, it was salary, and then they switched it off to like per mile because they was going through a lot of stuff. So we wasn't getting paid, and it was kind of stressful. Like that company was going downhill. We was there working for a while. It was a good company though. Those guys were good guys. I think they got a new company they about to open, and then paying the drivers real good. It's just things happen. I don't know what happened, but things happen. So I'm about to enter in Wyoming here in a minute. We've never drove on the 80 in Wyoming. It's very windy. We're not even that heavy, so